All right, another assignment that you want to focus on is to interpret the box and whisker plot. So a couple of things that we want to remind ourselves, this is the box and whisker plot. This dot is the minimum. This is Q1, Q2, Q3, and max, right? So think about Q1 is 20% of the 25% of the population. So this one is 25% of the population. Q2 is 50% of the population. Q3 is 75% of the population. So if the question was asked, the box suggests that Olga served fewer than what number of aces during 75% of tennis matches? When we talk about 75%, we talk about Q3, right? Q1 is like a quarter. Q2 is there's 2 quarters. Q3, there are 3 quarters. So that's 75%. So 75% of tennis matches that would is implied, we talk about quarter 3. So you can say, look at Q3 is at 10. So what you can say is 10 or less. So that will be the number that you want to use in this case. So when I talk about 75%, we talk about Q3. When we talk about 50%, we talk about Q2. And if we talk about 25% or 1/4, that is Q1. All right. There's another example is they gave you another Khan Academy example is you read the data and be able to interpret the meaning. So here's another example. We have the minimum is 4, Q1 is 7, median is 10, Q3 is 14, and max is 18. So this question was asking the 5 numbers summary suggests that about 50% of Brad's fantasy football league have fewer than how many teams? So it's 50%. If 50%, think about Q1 is a quarter, so 25%, 50, and 75. So the answer for this one is about 50%. So this implicate we need to look at Q2. So that's 10 or less. Okay, the 5 numbers suggest that 10 or less. Okay, so that's the values that we're going to look at. So this is the values that you want to look 10. All right. Let's see, we have another one. So here are the 3 assignments that you're going to work on. Create box and whisker plot. You should be able to read. The second one is read in box plot. And the third one is interpreting quartile with box plot. So these are the 3. So it seemed like a lot, but each of those shouldn't take you too long. It's a click of it's like you just have to click on the number that the interpreting quartiles with box plot is not too bad. It should be really fast. Okay. So all of these assignments are due for next class. So let me know if you have any questions. All right. Good luck.